Hey, so I got kind of like the stupidest story just to share with you real quick. So last night I went to a movie with my buddy and my girlfriend, and we walk out of the movie theater and it's like 7:30 at night, and we look up, and in the sky there's like this giant blue light, and it's like zooming in the air. It looks like aliens, and then it pops off into two lights, and now they go in separate ways. And I'm sitting there like, holy shit, a meteor is about to hit the Earth. We're getting attacked by aliens. I just saw the movie Venom. I was thinking about aliens. I didn't know what the fuck was going on. And I'm sitting there, standing actually, and I think to myself, you know what? If this is the end of the Earth, I'm gonna be really fucking upset with myself. That was the only thought I had. I'm gonna be really fucking upset with myself because as hard as I go, as bad as I wanted, I could have done more. I could have done more, and I could feel that in every cell of my body. We don't live with enough urgency in our lives. We think we have more time. We think that we'll have another day, we'll get another shot. Guess what? We don't have any fucking time. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. But one, tomorrow's not guaranteed. You cannot prove that it's coming. And we don't fucking know. And isn't it better to live as if you don't know? Isn't it better to live as if this might be your last day? This could be your last breath, right? Biggie Smalls, you tell everyone, when they go in the studio, act like it's your first song. Because after a while, you start phoning it in, you start fucking up, you start taking it for granted, and that's bullshit. Do whatever you gotta do to remind yourself that this may be the last fucking day you ever have. I mean, what if this is your last day? What if this is your last moment? Or what if your expenses were doubled tomorrow? Would you be able to handle it? What if the challenges in your life doubled tomorrow? Would you be able to handle that? Start thinking like this. Start challenging yourself more. Start living with a true sense of urgency. Start taking control of your life. Take your future into your hands. This is how we rock on Team Capital. And it's always Kaizen. I'm not perfect. I see fucking, by the way, that was just Elon Musk's SpaceX thing, but I see that and it reminds me I'm not hitting the gas pedal hard enough. And I'm breathing this life into you so you can hit the gas pedal harder too. Does that make sense? You follow me here? Good. Now, at the link below, this is the last chance you will have to watch an instant replay of the free training I did with my buddy Caleb, where he will show you on this free training, this instant replay, how he and his buddies are making between $10,000 and $100,000 a month in fully automated income from their laptop using what he calls the #1 way to get rich and the easiest way to get rich online in 2018. I know that's a huge promise. I know that sounds like bullshit. I know you're like, there's no fucking way, Jason, fuck that. This is bullshit. I'm not gonna watch this. I'm not gonna do it. It's not gonna work. And if you believe that, you can say that. That's totally fine, but you will never know if you don't. And I'm telling you, I was with Caleb in Miami 2 weeks ago. We're at the Mondrian Hotel in South Beach at a pool party, and over a shot of Patron, he showed me this is very real. Not just him and his friends, his students too. So you can miss it. You can skip it. I don't really give a fuck. But if you're serious about making more money from your laptop, if you fucking hate the job, you want to get out of the rat race, you want a way where you don't need a product or experience or all these skills, and you can still make a ton of money from your laptop in a secure and automated fashion so you can travel the world and do what you want, use the link below. Watch the free training. Tonight is the last chance. Today is the last day, period, okay? Now, regardless of what you do, the message of this video remains. Live as if this was your last day every day. Every fucking day. Give everything that you do that much power. Give everything that you have that much passion. And I promise you, you will be swimming in acres of diamonds for the rest of your life. I'm Jason Kaplan. I love you. Peace.
One of the top 10 most influential men on the planet.
Hey, it's Jason Capital.
Jason Capital. He is the preeminent expert.
Jason Capital has been recognized as a top 100 entrepreneur by the White House.
There's very few people in the world like Jason Capital.
He gets right to the core.
It surrounds you with an energy unlike anything you've ever experienced.